Okay, Mark DeLeese here, and in this third video of the Quick Start, I'm going to be going over how to do these sending requests using TubeFuel. That is, now that you have gathered a bunch of users and created user lists, and you've gathered a bunch of videos and you've created video lists, and obviously you know your niche, you know your keywords, you know what kind of business you're in, and you can target those type of niches and keywords. But once you have done some gathering, then you can do some functions here and do some engagement in the YouTube community. For example, if you click on Show User Lists, like we have seen, we've created a couple of different lists here: dog training and puppy dogs. And so, for example, I can send a contact request, and keep in mind that this is multi-threaded. So it says do actions using account. Right now I only have one account attached to this, but if I were to come here and if I were to click on accounts, and if I were to add 5 or 6 different YouTube accounts, what I can do is I can click on the user list, and I can, for example, I can select this one here and select all, and I can start sending out a contact request to using my channel right here. But I can, once that's processed, I can simply go to this channel here, or this user list, puppy dogs. I can select all, and I can select a different channel. All right, say you have 5 different channels in a dog niche, and I can select a different channel, and I can do contact requests from that account. And so it's going to be working in the background, and I can even close this window and I can click on hide, and it's going to be minimized to my taskbar, and it's going to start processing that in the background, and I can go on and do other marketing. That's going to be working in the background. Isn't that cool? Double click to bring it back up. And so that is just one way that you can do things using different accounts, and it's multi-threaded. So here we have, obviously you can choose one here, and I can do a contact request. If they're going to get the contact request, and if they approve it, then you can start private messaging them and things like that. You can subscribe, you can do a subscribe, and if you start subscribing to people's channels, they're going to get notification. They will check you out and they will subscribe back. That's the key. All right. So for example, I can click on subscribe, and it's going to start subscribing to those channels that I just selected. Also, I can share a video. So I can select all these people, or just a few of them, and I can click on share video, and I can put one of my YouTube URLs in there. And what's really cool is it's going to send this URL to their inbox that a video has been shared with them, and so you're sending it right to their inbox of a share video, and people will look at this, and if they like it, they will obviously visit your, you're going to get a view for one thing. You're going to get a video view, and obviously if you have it monetized, you're going to get monetization and traffic to your website. And so that's what you can do there. You can do a contact request, you can do subscribe, and you can share videos with these people right to their inbox, their YouTube inbox. So that's very, very cool. So that's with the user list. All right. Now, once you have gathered videos, this is even really, really very, very powerful. And if I click on show video list, and I've created some lists, it's the same thing here. You can choose which account you want to do this from right here, or else you can click on use all accounts, and it'll obviously go through the whole thing here. That's also for the user lists too. You can choose all accounts or just one account, all right, to process. Now, obviously, if I want to, for example, post a comment, these are the actions that you can do. You can post a comment. So for example, if I want to post a comment on this here, or if I want to post a comment on all of them, I select all, and I can post comments. I'll get into the commenting in another video on video 4 and video 5 of this quick action guide. Obviously, you just click on there, and it's going to give you some some fields here, and I can use article builder, or I can rewrite my own and spin it with the best spinner. If you have the best spinner in article builder, these buttons will show up. All right. You can also, what this will do here, it says get commentators. What this will do is very similar to this button right here, get video commentators. But what this will do is it'll get all the people that have made comments on this video, or if I select all, it'll get all the people that have made comments on all these videos and add them to a list for you. All right, so then you can start marketing. This is great for, obviously, for niche selection. So if I have created a list of all of my, you can select a channel. You can get all the videos from a channel, and then you can get all the commentators on this channel. So for example, Jeff Johnson videos. Jeff Johnson is another internet marketer. He's really into YouTube, and I can go to, I can grab all of his videos. Jeff videos, that's his channel. So if I click on process, it's going to process that, and it's going to start showing up already some of his videos. Jeff Johnson videos, let's see that it's scraped 71 of his videos. So I can easily, obviously, I can grab all of his videos and people that have made comments on his videos. Now, obviously, those are people that are into internet marketing, all right? Because Jeff Johnson is inside the internet marketing niche. So I can, obviously, he's going to have people commenting on his videos. He's going to be interacting with people. And same with Cordigan. I can do the same thing with his channel. And so I can click on here, and I can click on Get Commentators, all right, for all those videos. And it's going to start processing that right now. And very, very cool. You see that? It says get commentators for 71 videos scheduled for background processing. So it's going to grab all those users. And also then finally, I can obviously do some more targeting in the get related videos. Obviously, if I were to click on one of these videos here and browse to that page, you'll see how that on the right hand side, let me just close this here. And you can see here that on the right hand side there's related videos, all right, and or so forth. And so what it's going to do, it's going to scrape all the related videos and add them to a list. All right, it's going to add them to a list, and so that's really, really cool. It's going to get all the related videos and add them to a list, and then you can zero target those videos and do all kinds of neat things. So once again, this is really cool, and it can really zero in on some of your marketing. Once again, you can save all these videos to a file. Also, you can upload, if you have a bunch of videos that you want to target and you already have scraped somewhere else, you can upload those from a CSV file, just one video username, ID, or the IDs right here per line. And do all kinds of neat stuff. So in video 4 and video 5, I'm going to be getting into the commenting, the auto commenting. So this is Mark DeLeese signing off on the on the sending requests of TubeFool and different sending functions. Thank you.